ChatGPT released the new image model and it's doing way better job than any model ever done. And in this video, I'll cover the 5 most important use case, whether if you're a coder, if you're a designer, or if you're a creator, these use cases will improve your productivity 10x. So stay till the end of the video. I'm Aditya and you're watching Skill Curve. So let's talk about this new image model. It's pretty good at text and everything you can imagine creating AI image. Now let's talk about our first use cases without any much ado. Alright, so first use case we want to talk about with this new image model is creating website landing page design and just giving it with a minimal prompt. For example, this example, I said, hey, design a SaaS landing page for developer focused product, and you can use dark theme, neon accents, subtle lights, and CTA buttons. You can also use grid alignment and no clutter stock photos, and this is exactly the prompt I gave. It's on your screen. I said make sure it should be 16:9. However, this model is now pretty good at any kind of aspect ratio, and this is the first image we got, and it's looking seriously one of the best image I can ever come across from an AI image model. It's already beating Nano Banana 2, and this is probably now the peak of AI image generation. You can see the dashboard is clean, every text is now legible, whether it's menu text, it's a stars, GitHub link, and even the logos right now is very accurate. So this was one of those big hurdles now ChatGPT has removed. Let's see another example. I said, hey, why don't you create 12 icons for my UI UX design, app, and it created some actually good UI UX, icons you can use on your app, you can use on your website, and this is probably customized one. So if you want to create according to your website's theme, your brand's theme, you can simply just generate it. You can see this GitHub stars repository with different people, chart, graph, API, rocket launch. So this is seriously very good. I this time gave it a very small prompt called, hey, create a website for Korean news media, and this is seriously good. You can see right now this image generation now, it's pretty good at generating non-English text. So whether you are using Arabic, Urdu, Hindi, any kind of language you want is now working perfectly. Alright, so let's talk about another use case which I was talking about is creating high quality YouTube thumbnail. So first prompt I gave, hey, create a CTR thumbnail for a tech video. It should be a young developer sitting in front of screen, face expression should be sharp, shocked, screen should be glowing, background should be purple, gray, dark, and text should be this changes everything, and text should be AI image too. So it's up to you how you want to design your thumbnail, but this is basically just an example. You can make everything even better, and this is our thumbnail, and this is really good if you want to make some videos and you want to create thumbnail that is easy, eye-catching. I think now ChatGPT v2 has the best image generation capability and even the thumbnail generating capability. Now let's see another example. I said, hey, create a high contrast YouTube thumbnail which should be split screen of before and after. Left should be messy, low quality UI image, and right side should be clean, futuristic AI generated design, and visual should be more energy, moving, glowing. Text should be before, after, small text should be AI generated. So if you look at this, I prompted in a very well manner where it covers almost every aspect, every edge cases, because this is important when it comes to designing images with AI. Your prompt should be detailed enough to make a difference, otherwise it will be like generic AI images no matter how high quality the model is. You can see the thumbnail, the left side is the black and white and right side is pretty colorful, the proper dashboard, and also intentionally say AI generated as a text to see if a text is working. And I can completely say now these kind of eye-catching thumbnails now are just one click away. By the way, this model is completely free, so you don't have to pay anything for that. Now it's time for creating some fun content. What about if you're a social media manager or want to create some meme stuff? So I also made for this. So I said hey, create a distracted boyfriend meme in the modern high quality realistic style. Character should be me as a developer, and actual work deadlines, and should be the new text should be this new AI tools. And I said realistic photography style, clean up, sharp observation, and meme label should be bold, clear text. So yeah, I'm also defining text font style, whether it should be italic, bold, what kind of stroke it has. So you have to be very smart about designing and choosing different fonts. And this is the image we just got. It's probably the perfect meme generation tool we have now. You don't need to go and Photoshop and do everything from yourself. Just go to ChatGPT, describe your meme, and your meme is ready in just few seconds. Now let's talk about another use cases, which is probably very good if you're a product manager, if you want to create designing stuff. So I said, hey, can you create a premium hyper realistic product shot of Diet Coke can? And this is seriously good. I said, it should be classic silver Diet Coke can covered with cold condensation droplets, so it looks more chilling. I said background should be a little bit dark. I also gave a hex code. If you don't know hex code is a way, to get accurate color accuracy. I said surface slightly should be reflective. It should be subtle mist, and details should be like tiny droplets of the can, ultra water splash. And these are the details, looks very tiny, but trust me, when you actually put them, they make a huge difference in generating these kind of images. An image is in front of you. You can see right now clearly in front of you, totally AI generated, but you can never say if it's AI generated. You can see the proper water droplet, the background, the reflection of the light, which almost looks like Pepsi color, which is kind of ironic, but now you get the point that how cool this model is for different use cases, whether you're a designer, product manager, whether you're a website, everything is for you. Now let's talk about another, showcase photo. So you have this, product of a modern sneaker. I said it should be a futuristic type of Nike style. There should be no logo. I said this explicitly. I said it should be black base with subtle neon account, and I said scene should be floating in the air. And also one thing I want to talk about is detail stuff. I said ultra sharp texture, realistic shadows under shoes, and fine particles suspend in air. And once you did all these things, and our sneaker is pretty much ready. And you can see right now, if you want to make a proper, if you want me to make a proper video on just product showcase using this new tool, you can just comment section and just comment it, and we will try to make specially dedicated video for it. Now it's time for another use case, which is making infographic and static sticks. So if you want to create posters and different infographic stuffs, you can create such high quality infographic stuff. You can post it on LinkedIn, social media. For example, I created first one to compare the manual versus AI automation work, and here you can see the quality of charts are pretty accurate. You barely see any illegible text. Every text is very legible. You can read all of them. Proper chart, proper reflection of lights. Not just this, I have generated a few other examples too. For example, I said, hey, can you create a cinematic infographic poster of showing the growth of my GitHub repository over time, and you can see a proper chart of rising with the product is going. So this is just a way if companies try to show their product is growing. You can also do that if you want to if you are a social media manager of a company. You can definitely use this new AI tool to show on different kind of posters. For example, you can see that every detail here is pretty much readable. Before V2, it was very hard for any AI image model to be this accurate. I said, hey, make it more subtle, make it more less, salesy, and it created even better one. Like you can see right now how cool you can do these type of stuff for useful stuff. And this is why I'm saying that I gave you one of the 5 coolest use cases that you can use actually for your daily life. And if you want a proper video on any of these use cases, a dedicated video, just a click away. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.